So now, after dealing with the pitch, there is the next is example of change in pitch. How can we change the pitch? How can we just frequency is increased or decreased? So if we have an instrumental instrument like guitar, piano, violin, just like a string instrument if we have, so we can frequency of vibration is depend on the tension of the string and thickness of the string. So tension means tightness. If you apply the more tension, that means more force to tight the wire or string. That means if that is tension is increased, that means frequency will be high. Here I am just writing here frequency will be high if tension will be high and vice versa. So we can say frequency will high, that means higher pitch. And how the depend on the thickness? If the frequency is increases, high frequency, high pitch if we obtain, that means thickness of the wire should be decreased. If thickness will be decreased, frequency will be increased, thus we get the higher pitch, and vice versa. That means frequency will decrease, लोअर पिच वी गेट इफ द थिकनेस विल बी हाई. अगर तार मोटा होगा तो फ्रिक्वेंसी कम हो जाएगी, वो तार स्ट्रिंग जितना पतला होगा फ्रिक्वेंसी विल बी हाई. इट प्रोड्यूस अ हायर पिच साउंड, हायर फ्रिक्वेंसी ऑफ वाइब्रेशन. Shrillness will be high. We can write here shrillness will be high. Shrillness the same as that. If the frequency will decrease, that means bass is become grave sound is produced, bass sound is produced if the frequency will decreased. Now the next example, if we talk about the flute just like a blowing instrument. If we take a blowing instrument just like a flute, if we take if we want a lower note, that means if we want to lower note, that means frequency is very lower note, that means frequency is less, that is bass sound, or we can say if we lower note, that means frequency is lower pitch sound is produced. To do it, obtained it by closing some more holes. मतलब हमने फ्लूट में अगर हम कुछ ज़्यादा होल्स कर देंगे, इफ़ वी पुट अ मोर होल्स हियर, इफ वी पुट अ मोर होल्स हियर, दैट मीन्स द एयर कॉलम ऑफ लेंथ विच इज़ वाइब्रेटेड, इफ एयर सम मोर होल्स, सो दैट लेंथ ऑफ एयर कॉलम विल बी इंक्रीजेज. सो लेंथ ऑफ एयर कॉलम विल इंक्रीज, that means lower note we get, that means frequency will be less, we get a lower note or lower pitch, lower note. Or if the length is decreases, frequency will be high, and we get a higher pitch sound, bass shrill sound, higher pitch. Hence we can say frequency of the vibration of the air column, frequency is inversely proportional to the length of the air column. That means if length is increased, frequency will decrease, that we get a lower pitch. If a length will decrease, frequency will be increased, we get a higher pitch or shrill sound will be produced. Lower pitch bass sound and higher pitch shrill sound, treble sound.